Okay, we have here our test stand and a piece of wood, two screws and a ratchet. So I'm placing it to position to screw it in, like to the right at the final position, and trying to screw it in. No clicks. Then I'm moving to another side, another final position, trying to screw it in. No clicks. I'm trying to place it in the middle. No clicks. And now I will show how normal ratchet should work. So it's Bosch, it's working, and it's our ratchet, it's not working. That's all explanation. I cannot use it without ratchet normally.